What's going on, YouTube? So this video is not going to be about cameras or photography or Pentax or anything like that. It's going to be about automotive stuff. I'm going to demonstrate a few hidden features on my 2010 Hyundai Genesis tech package 3.8 V6. Now, as for the very first feature I'm going to show that is hidden, a lot of other car manufacturers do have this feature as well. So you may want to check your manual or just give it a shot and see if it actually works. The three previous cars I've had all had this function. A lot of people aren't aware that this function even exists. And I saw some ramblings online about, oh, the wiper design is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, how are you supposed to change the blades? You can't even clean the windshield because the hood's in the way and blah, blah, blah. And other people are like, well, that's easy. Open the hood. But you only get like this much space to work with. No, there's a better way. Let me show you the way. Okay, anyway, enough of that. So it's very simple. It's literally a flick of switch, and the wipers do their thing, and then you have full access to the wipers, and then all is good in the world all over again. So let's just get right to it and show you what's up. I hope this helps, because that's all I'm trying to do with my channel. Is every video I put up, I'm just trying to help people. That's it. Alright, so to start off with the hidden features, well, first of all, I just wanted to show you guys this. Yeah, this car is definitely a killer on the road. Look at that. All these bugs. This is 1 week of driving to and from work. It's absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, alright, getting on to the topic at hand. So, the first quote-unquote hidden feature I want to show is actually the windshield wipers. Now, people complain about the fact that you can't lift the wipers, right? So cleaning the windshield, especially in winter and things like that, or changing the wiper blades, you just can't lift them up high enough to do it, right? So what a lot of people say is, well, why don't you just open the hood? And you could do that. However, there's a better way. So yeah, you can open the hood and try to work in between that. But there's a better way. So here is how you put the car, or put the windshield wipers into service mode. So first of all, you have to start the car. So let's start it. All right. And then let's turn it off. Take the wiper stock, push it up. And there you go. The wipers are now in service mode. Since they're in service mode, you can access everything you need in order to change the blades, lift the wipers up, full access. Simple as that. To take it off of service mode, start the car, and just push once. And the wipers go down. And that's it. Second item on the list is steering wheel mute for the stereo. So you've got stereos on, obviously. Just press and hold mode. Let's see here. There we go. So just press and hold mode. And now it's muted and goes directly to the nav screen. Unmute, press and hold. And now you see at the top, the radio's back on. The only thing is, it will not actually go back into the XM, FM, or AM station display. So you actually have to press the button in order to get back in there. And if you want to change lock settings and things like that, you just go, at least for the tech package, I'm not sure about the base or the premium, just go into info, car settings, and your auto door lock options. You can have it lock by vehicle speed or by shifting the shifter out of park into drive. Let's see what else. Your auto door unlock. You can have it where when you put it in park, it unlocks. When you open the driver's door, all the doors unlock. Or when you stop the car or take the key out of here, it'll automatically unlock the doors. And you've got your seat easy access to automatically move the seat back and forward when you get in and out of the car. And same with the steering wheel. It'll retract the steering wheel when you shut the car off to make it easier to get in and out. And the system will put the steering wheel and the seat back into your pre-programmed position. You can also change the door lock sounds. And with that, that's the beep. When you lock and unlock the door, you can turn that off. And you can have key activates alarm. I haven't used this one. My guess is that when you're press and hold the alarm button on the key, this is disabling that feature, and this would actually turn that feature off when you're using the key fob. Alarm button, which I'll show you in a sec here. This bottom red one on the key fob. So I think that enables and disables that function. And that's pretty much it for this one. Yeah, so there you go. There are the hidden features of the Hyundai Genesis, the first generation, 2009 to 2014. At least for the technology package. I don't know, again, whether or not the base or premium have these features. It's not just... I'm saying a lot. That's terrible. I really got to stop doing that. I sound like Justin Trudeau. Okay, so it's not just Hyundai or Genesis or Kia that have these features. There are a number of manufacturers that have at least the wiper features in regards to putting it into service mode. So anyway, that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, leave a like. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Helps me out. I am going to be doing more automotive related videos, at least with my Hyundai Genesis, as well as I will still be keeping up with the Pentax photography stuff and photography in general. So stay tuned for future uploads for those as well. I remember I made a video saying I was going to be kind of opening up the channel to more content, and I haven't really done anything except for the photography stuff since I said that. Like, what? Oh man, I'm slacking. So yeah, it's time to actually keep my word and do what I said I was going to do. So here's step one. Yeah, so if you'd like to support the channel, I'll leave that information at the bottom of the description. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. That's it. You'll see me on my next video. I'm out.